Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to open database for WordPress website using InstaWP dashboard. So if you want to make any changes in database of WordPress, so you can easily do it. So we are using InstaWP dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now open site. So click on it. So we are in dashboard and then you see multiple option. Now on top right you see magic login and then you see 3 dot more action. So click on it and then you see DB editor. So click on it. Now you see database name, table, you see all information. So you can make changes in database easily. So we are going to open option table. Now you see show structure and then you see select data. So click on it. Now you see domain name, multiple option. If you want, you can edit it. Now you see pencil icon edit. So click on it. So you can make changes and then click on save. So in this way you can edit database table using InstaWP dashboard. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.